In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment QR code to your invoices in Zoho Invoice. This nifty feature allows your customers to quickly and easily remit payments by simply scanning a code, making the process more efficient for both you and them. Now, let's walk through the steps on how to add this useful tool to your invoices. First, you'll want to start by adding the QR code to your PDF template. This is the format your invoices automatically take when you send them to a client, so customizing this template is a crucial first step. To begin, navigate to the Settings section within your Zoho Invoice account. Once you're there, look for the PDF Templates option, which should be prominently displayed as part of your invoice settings. By clicking this, you'll have access to all the templates you've been using. Next, under the section labeled Invoices, you'll see a list of your current templates. Find the specific template that you want to modify and click Edit. This allows you to make changes to how your invoice appears, which includes adding our desired QR code. With the template open, direct your attention to the left sidebar. You'll find various sections available for customization, and you want to focus on the area labeled Other Details. Click on that, and you'll see several different options available for your invoice layout. Look for the option that says Show Invoice QR Code. This is the setting that lets you display a QR code directly on the invoice. Make sure to check this option. Checking this box enables the code, seamlessly integrating it into your invoices. Once you've enabled the QR code, it's always a good idea to double-check your work. Zoho gives you a convenient way to do this with the Preview button. By clicking Preview, you can see exactly how your invoice will look with the QR code included. This ensures everything is in place before finalizing the changes. The design aligns, the QR code's positioning looks professional, and it's all set for client viewing. Now that you're satisfied with how the invoice appears, it's time to save your modifications. Click Save to apply the changes to your template. By doing so, you've successfully updated your invoice settings to include a QR code for quick client payments. It's as simple as that. Just remember, this QR code will now automatically appear on any invoice you generate using this template, streamlining your billing process. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've easily integrated a QR payment option into your invoices, adding a touch of modern convenience to your business operations. Your customers will appreciate the ease of payment, and you'll benefit from quicker transaction times. Thank you for watching, and happy invoicing.